Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app is current and responsive. Once updated, close background apps so touch input is stable. Open Toca Boca and go directly to the in-app settings or the pause menu. This is where movement controls live. You do this because lag or outdated builds can hide options. Now locate movement, touch controls, or accessibility, names vary, and be ready to toggle or adjust sensitivity before you change behavior. You now change the control mode. Find the movement, auto move, or controls section. Once there, flip the auto or assisted movement toggle to off or select manual/touch instead. This removes automatic character movement. If the app shows joystick or sensitivity sliders, lower them or switch to a tap to move option so you regain precise control. Make sure you tap save or apply if required. After that, return to the game and test movement immediately to verify the change. You finish by testing. Tap and swipe to confirm movement stops being automatic and that manual input is responsive. If you still see undesired movement, force quit the app and restart it. If that fails, reinstall to clear corrupted settings. Also make sure iPad accessibility options like switch control or assistive touch aren't interfering, and check screen protector calibration if touches misregister. If problems persist, note the exact behavior and seek support with screenshots so you can fix the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.